Got another package today. This is the final unboxing for a little while. I'm cut off from spending for a couple of weeks, I guess. I got one. Actually, I do have one more thing coming in from Iowa, but here we go. This is from Gates, Tennessee, and I think this is my excavator. So let's take a look here. Damn. Gotta use a lot of tape on this one. Alright. I'll cheat. There it is. Case Excavator 9030B. This is a really cool model here, I think. So I can't wait to open it up. Looks like it's 1995 release, as I said before, and Cat's helping out. So, all right, see you next time.